Hello everyone, welcome to Nigel and Kath's Adventures. Glad you could join us. Hi everybody, this is Nigel and Kath's Adventures. We're off on our travels again now the weather's a bit better. We're in North Wales and we're hoping to go all around the north coast because we know that quite well, and today we're in the lovely town of Conwy. It's medieval and as you can see around us there's the castle walls. Hope you enjoy what we're going to show you. Be able to get it from a different angle. Church. It's right in the centre, isn't it? It's a little bit like the one in Haworth. DJI's anniversary celebrations.
Nothing like a nice bottle of wine.
That's expensive. Not so impressed. You don't need any food, do you?
I don't think so, no.
Hotel, that's called. Grabbing in this way. Oh, the Liverpool Arms, remember as well, it's part of the castle wall, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean that was very nice. He was basically saying from time.
Yeah, on the hill.
You must hold it out. We'll have a
If I figures that tall, I think caramel.
side, but that might be to let water out. Well everyone, we're back home now from our North Wales holiday and it was really great, especially Conwy. We really enjoyed that. It's so historical. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more stuff coming up that we'll hope you'll enjoy, and it's absolutely free to do so. Bye everyone.